Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the Norwegian Getaway. It's late at night. It's about, well, not that late. It's 10:30. That's pretty early cruising time. But I haven't had anything for dinner yet. And one of the places that I've been wanting to try, and it's one of the places that's open right now, is O'Sheehan's Irish Pub. I had breakfast there a couple days ago. It was pretty good. I've been wanting to try either the fish and chips or a burger there because I haven't had a burger since I've been on this ship. You guys know I love my burgers, but I also like fish and chips, so maybe I'll just have to go back for one or the other. But here I am. It is about 10:30. We are sailing towards the Bahamas. Our cruise has been redirected because of a storm around Bermuda. So we're going to Nassau in the Bahamas instead, as well as Miami. So big change in plans. Got to do a lot of homework and find out what I'm going to do at Nassau and in Miami. So maybe I'll start making those plans while I'm munching on something at O'Sheehan's. Let's head over there and have some late dinner. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. As with many of the restaurants here on the Norwegian Getaway, O'Sheehan's is all-inclusive, so if you want, you could eat here 25 times a day. I'm not that much of a gluttonous person. I think the most I've eaten here in one day is 16 or 17 times. Gluttony being one of the 7 deadliest sins, and I try not to break more than 5 deadly sins a day. So I forgot to take a video of the menu. I'll see if I can download one and get it up in this video. But I ordered beer bites with a beer fondue cheese dip, as well as a cheeseburger and french fries and a beer. It's an Irish pub, right? I was going to get the fish and chips. I wasn't sure which one I wanted, but I've got at least another 5 or 6 days here. I'm sure I'll get those fish and chips in this Irish pub yet. So as I said, I forgot to take a video of the menu, so this is the best I can do off the internet. This is a late night menu here at O'Sheehan's. O'Sheehan's being a 24/7 restaurant here on the Norwegian Getaway. So it's hard finding cruise ship menus, but I managed to find this one. It's a late night menu. I was here about 10:30, 11 o'clock. They don't consider that late night. They actually had appetizers on the menu that I had, as well as desserts and things like that. For an appetizer, I ordered the pretzel bites with the beer cheddar dipping sauce. And for the entree, it was a toss-up, but I decided to go with a burger. You guys know I love my burgers. I haven't had a burger in a while, but I really want to try the fish and chips here as well sometime in the future, as well as the wings. O'Sheehan's is known for their wings. Those videos will be coming up, but for tonight, it's the classic cheeseburger, which is an 8-ounce gourmet burger made with 100% ground beef brisket and short rib, served with iceberg lettuce, tomato, cheddar cheese, onion, fries. A vegetable burger is available upon request. I'm gonna pass on that one. And here are my pretzel bites with the beer cheddar dipping sauce. Let me just give them the good old New York plate twirl. Okay, these are really good. The pretzels are warm, they're a little bit salted, not heavily salted, and the dipping sauce is perfect. I'm really enjoying this. And again, all inclusive. I could order 5 more servings if I wanted to, but I think I'll just wait for that burger.
These are quite good.
The piano player in the atrium is playing one of my favorite Elton John songs, which I'm talking over, so you can probably hear it in the background. It is one of my favorite Elton John songs. Cheeseburger and Fries is out, and now the piano player is playing my favorite Billy Joel song. I think we're on the same wavelength tonight. The burger's good. It's really juicy. It didn't look that big until I picked it up. It's pretty massive. So the atrium is directly across from myself. The piano player is actually downstairs. And I'm really enjoying his music. I'm probably going to go down there and have a drink after this. But one thing I noticed in common with all of his songs is everything he's playing is by another piano player. We had Elton John, Billy Joel, a couple of them, and he's really good. So as soon as I got downstairs to the lower level of the atrium, the piano player took a break. Just my luck, but at least I had good music during dinner, right? And speaking of dinner, it was okay. Breakfast was pretty good there, but I think I'm starting to turn into a burger snob since I've been doing these videos. I like a really good burger, and that one was okay. It was warm, it was fresh, but a little on the tasteless side, and the fries were a little bit on the cold side, and it just seemed like they were laying around a little bit. But again, it is almost 11 o'clock at night. But again, we're on a cruise ship, and the place is open 24/7. So, like I said, maybe it's me. I'm just turning into a burger snob. But I am going back there in the next several days to check out the fish and chips, because it is, after all, themed as an Irish pub. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, we'll be in the Bahamas. We'll be in Great Stirrup Cay, which is Norwegian's private island. Lots to do there. They have zip lines and several beaches and barbecues and things like that. So I'm looking forward to that. But what I'm looking forward to most of all is an excursion that I booked called Swimming with the Pigs, where we get on a small boat and we head out to a smaller island that has pigs on it. You feed them apples. They go swimming with you on the beach. Sounds like a great time. I've seen other videos on YouTube, and as soon as I saw them, I said, I've got to do that. So I'm going to take you guys along with me during that as well tomorrow. So I'm going to head up to the room for a little while, do a little video editing. This is a working vacation. And then maybe head up to the deck after midnight, see what's going on up there as far as the pool deck with live bands and stuff. So hope you enjoyed the dinner video, and I will see you guys shortly tomorrow in Great Stirrup Cay, the Bahamas.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.